Welcome to SN360. Our platform is designed to make connecting scholars with mentors effortless and impactful. In this very brief video, we'll walk you through how to make the most out of Analytics 360 so you can start building meaningful connections today. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to show you is your dashboard. So once you are able to log in, you're going to be welcomed with this nice dashboard that right now is pretty simple. You'll be able to see your new connections, your sessions, and hours that you interacted each single week. Up here, we'll see your notifications. You'll see that we have just one brief notification here, but just keep in mind that notifications come in different forms. They can be from users, or we may even send you notifications about updates to the platform itself. So just keep track of your notifications that also come to your email. Once we access your settings, you'll start seeing your personal details here. So your personal details are important because the more expertise and education and interest that you add here, the more likely that you will get connections from scholars. So as you can see here, under expertise, for example, you can add as many areas of expertise, commonly treated diagnoses, and even primary areas of practice that you want. You can add sports specialties, and now you can even add publications, which is great. As you create your profile, you are actually able to see your profile as well. Just by clicking on View Profile, you will get a view of what other users can see right here. Now, as we go back to your settings, if we go to your account, then we'll have a couple of different things that are important. First, here are your notification settings. Be sure to set your time zone, otherwise all users will be set to Eastern time zone by default. If you move on to quick replies, you'll be able to see that we have created a couple of quick replies for you already. However, you are also able to create your own new quick replies if it's something that you're replying to often to your scholars or even to other mentors as you are communicating with them through chat. Moving on to appointments. This is important right here. We need to make sure that you set your hourly rate for your appointments. And you can see here, depending on the mentor level, you're able to set up to a specific amount. Now, what's very important here is that you set your weekly hours. If you do not set weekly hours, then scholars will not be able to see your availability. Now, this is something that we're still working in progress, but be sure to just give it your best estimate. And you can always remember, decline an appointment or reschedule it or suggest a different time. So if this does not match your calendars, that's okay. Just do your absolute best. But if you do not set an availability, scholars will not be able to connect with you. You also see that you can connect your Google Calendar, and we're working on other calendars at the moment. But for right now, you can connect your Google Calendar if you have one. Now, keep in mind, if you connect your Google Calendar, you're not going to actually be able to see your Google Calendar appointments on the Analytics 360 platform. However, scholars will not be able to book an appointment with you if you already have an appointment on your Google Calendar, which is great. If you move to Refer and Earn, keep in mind that the Refer and Earn right now is live, and you can start earning rewards. If you send us and refer 10 scholars, we will give you a $50 bonus as a token of our appreciation. If you refer scholars to the platform, the scholars will receive 50% off their first month subscription. And the scholars can keep referring scholars, and you can refer as many scholars or mentors as you can and as you want. It is all kept track of right here. Just keep in mind that all of these perks that we are talking about won't go live until full launch right around sometime in the fall. So make sure that you just refer people, get people on the platform to stay active, so that we can start getting you those perks today. Up here, you see feedback and support. You can always email us. We're pretty quick to reply. You can send us a message. Let us know what you want to improve, what you want to change. Suggest a new feature, something that you really like. You can even go back to the original video from the tutorial if you would like to see that as well. As we go back to your dashboard, here we can see that you can actually pop out the menu and you can start seeing the appointments, notes, collaborations, and chats. In your appointments, you'll be greeted with this nice calendar view that you can change into list view. You can actually change into different views here. You can filter through whichever dates. You can change your settings right here. What you can also do is look at all scheduled, past, and requested appointments as well that you've had. You can search for them here. In your calendar view, you can switch from week to work week to even days and to the in agenda view as well. A perk that we have for you right now is the ability to collaborate. You can collaborate with other mentors. You can message other mentors. You can start talking and just building a network within the Analytics 360 platform. The more that you collaborate, the more data that you'll see here in your analytics. You'll see all your upcoming appointments, and you'll see any users that you have favorited. You can also send an email right here to anybody who you would like to refer and earn right from your dashboard. For now, we would appreciate anybody that you refer to the platform so that we can continue growing as things are moving a little bit slowly at the moment. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of the Scholarnetics 360 platform. We hope you're excited about the endless possibilities our platform offers. If you ever have any questions or you need any support, please send us a message. We are here to help and to support you as you continue to grow this community. Thank you for everything that you're doing. Thank you for being part of the Scholarnetics 360 community. And thank you for being part of the healthcare's first mentorship and knowledge sharing hub.